So, what online counseling strategies do you think you can use that will help your students in the career domain? So, I was a little bit confused about the question, um, but I think that some of the strategies that we can use, obviously, assessments, think that we're talking about in class, um, assessments and getting results and then going forward with those results. So if you get results on what industry you're most likely to be in, you can look that up. And there's that one website that has, I think it's the Bureau of Labor Statistics. And so that gives you a lot of information on what different jobs pay, what education you need, what the future looks like for that job. And so those are the things that we can use to help students. Also, I read an article about using social media to enhance career development. And so, funny thing is, I never really thought about this, but maybe using Facebook or LinkedIn, Twitter, just the different social networks to look for mentors or positions, or just get connected with different people. And this is actually something that I think could be really useful because so many kids are on social media. And I actually I just remembered that I connected with somebody in regards to a job through social media, and I interviewed for the job and everything. And so I think this is a really good way of helping them connect, and maybe learn more about a specific industry. In addition to that, I think there's obviously a lot of resources online as far as interviewing, resume building, social skills. So I think those are some of the things that I would use. I may be wrong in regards to this question, but something else that comes to mind is also just gathering data. I think that's something that we're going to be doing as counselors. And so I think that would also benefit our students and even our parents, because that's something that's accessible, hopefully, in their home or at the school. They can come in and try to go online for different resources.